Better?
Okay, 1, 2, 3. You want to start?
Yeah. Hi, I'm Marina.
Hey, I'm Malcolm.
We're both from Canada, and this is the second time that we're here. There's a reason that we came here for the second time is because our entire experience from last year up until this year has been extraordinary. From the moment that we arrived, the way that we are welcomed, the way that the staff is just always so supportive, so caring, provides so much safety, which is so important in this context, especially when you're going into a place where you're going to be fully opening up and surrendering. Safety is so important. And so, yeah, just everything. It's been, I'll speak a little bit more on this experience. It's been life-changing. I came here as one woman, and I'm coming out of here as a completely different woman with so much life force energy, with so much vitality, with so much freedom, just so much. I just feel so different. And so thank you. Just thank you to Jose for having us. Thank you to the facilitators. Thank you to all the shamans for all the work that they do in this world and the work that they have done with us. And yeah, thank you to my partner for coming here together and for doing this work together. It's one thing to come here alone, and it's another thing to do this work with your partner. Truly is life-changing.
Yeah, everything she just said, and just feeling really grateful for everything that Arkana represents. You know, I think the mission is to heal the world one heart at a time, and you can really feel that here. You know, the level of devotion that every person that is involved with Arkana is definitely felt, and it is seen, and it's just incredible. Because if there's, you know, we keep on saying that ayahuasca is difficult. It's not for everyone, but the people who choose to do our ayahuasca, you know, when they get to do it in a place like this, it just amplifies and makes the experience so much amazing. And amazing is not even a word that comes close to expressing what Arkana and the experience at Arkana is. You know, I came here. It's so interesting because I came here with dengue fever, and you know, Western medicine says that there's no cure to dengue fever, and you know, 2 days in the retreat, and my dengue was completely healed. And this is through, of course, sitting with the medicine of ayahuasca, and also all of the attentive care from the Shipibo shamans, and also the facilitators and the staff here. But then more importantly, you know, this is the second year for us. It's the second time we come here. And the reason for that is because just Arkana is really, yeah, the highest level of experience when it comes to their ceremonies, and again, to what they represent here. And so I'm infinitely grateful for the people here, for Jose, for everyone that is involved with this project, because it's such a beautiful project. And if you're on the fence and you're unsure if you want to do this, I'm telling you, do it, because this is something that will bring you towards something greater than yourself. And you know, being part of this family, being part of Arkana is just such a blessing and such a gift.
The last thing I want to share is, someone asked us yesterday, why do you keep coming back to Arkana over and over again? And something that's really important is not only the level of integrity that this space has to offer, and the level of safety, which, like I said, is the most important thing when you're opening yourself up, but I believe that we're here building a relationship with the medicine, we're building a relationship with the land, and that takes time and it's continuous. And so we're not here just to go from one place to the other, but we're here to deepen that relationship.
Yeah.
Yeah.